Good evening, everyone. It's so wonderful to be back here together with my dear friend and co-host Anja to go through smart food swaps, right? So what does that mean for us? How do we define that this evening? Lots of ways to be smart in the kitchen, but you've got a few ideas for us.
What were we talking about earlier? Just a few of the things that we're going to be swapping. So we're going to be swapping some salt for some herbs and spices today and show you how to make your own spice blends. We're going to be swapping that oven for the microwave and for just prepping some cold prep and one stovetop thing.
Maybe some
Plates
high
for
cost.
mason jars.
Yeah, plates for some high cost for lower cost options, especially when it comes to protein, and really promoting plant-based and fish protein for cost saving. And we'll go through that. And time, right?
Time in the kitchen to time for eating, right?
Exactly. We have so many minutes
things.
in the day. Let's swap some of those out for just relaxing and being with our family and friends.
I made two spice blends to use in my cooking. One is a Mexican spice blend and one is a Mexican curry spice blend. I love having these on hand. You can use them instead of salt. You can use them instead of carrying a whole bunch of spices in your cupboard. Dani and I were talking about how we love to use them when we're traveling too. Sometimes if you're staying at Airbnb or a place that has their own kitchen, you get there and you want to cook something and you can't because all you've got is salt and little packages of salt and pepper usually. So I love these, and then I also really like making our own spices because then you can cater them to your taste. So for example, the curry powder, I didn't use as much cumin because my family doesn't like it. I love it, but they don't like it as much. So some of the traditional already made curry blends are a little bit too cuminy. So love them. You can use them in curries. You can use them in your rice dishes. Everything that you want, just throw it on different flavors in there.
Spices come from plants, right? So they're very, very high in antioxidants, but after a while they do start to sort of go off. So just make sure you check the expiry dates, and when you open a package and start blending it, try to use it right away. Keep it away from heat as well. Extreme heat makes them go more rancid more quickly, for lack of a better word. So those are my kind of passionate pieces around spices.
And speaking of Dani making spice blends, so this is what Dani likes to give us for Christmas, and what I love using every year we've got little curry blends. So also something you can do, you can make these at home and they can be your little hostess gifts or easy gift to share as well. So
there you go.
Thank you, Dani, for that reminder, because she does do that for us dietitians.